just a simple breakout method that even beginners can understand. And it works beautifully during quiet or OTC markets. So watch this video till the end, because I'll show you the exact chart setup, live trade examples, and how to use this method safely under any market condition. And remember, this video is for educational purpose only, not financial advice. Always trade responsibly. All right, traders, now let's talk about the exact trading rules for this micro compression burst setup. First, we'll add just one indicator, Bollinger Bands. Set the period to 20 and deviation to 2.0. Keep the style default, or make the bands light gray so they're easy to see. That's it. Only one indicator on a clean chart. Now, make sure your time frame is 5 seconds per candle and set your expiry to 30 seconds. This short setup helps you catch the tiny price squeezes and bursts that happen fast. Look at your chart on the 5-second time frame and wait until you see 4 to 6 very small candles moving in a super tight range. When the Bollinger Bands come close together, almost touching, it means the market is building pressure. The moment you see a candle that closes completely outside the Bollinger Band, that's your signal. If the breakout candle closes above the upper band, get ready for a buy trade. If it closes below the lower band, prepare for a sell trade. Right after that breakout candle closes, place your trade in the breakout direction. Your expiry time will be 30 seconds only, short, fast, and precise. If you also notice a little rise in volume or a slightly bigger candle body than the last few candles, that's a strong confirmation that the breakout is real. Don't trade when the market is already trending hard or during high-impact news. This setup works best when the market is calm, before the sudden burst. Simple, right? You don't need to use too many indicators or guess market direction, just patience, a clean chart, and one powerful signal, the compression breakout. Let's move to the live chart and look for real micro compression burst strategy setups in action. You can see here that the market had been moving quietly with small candles. The Bollinger Bands were getting tighter and tighter. That's our compression phase, the calm before the storm. Then suddenly we get a strong green candle that closes fully outside the upper band. That's our clear breakout signal. So right at this point, I entered a buy trade for a 30-second expiry. As soon as the trade starts, you can see how price continues to push upward with strong momentum. The breakout candle has opened the bands wider, which confirms that volatility is now back in the market. Each new candle keeps forming near the top, showing consistent bullish strength. No big wicks, no pullback. Exactly what we want in a compression burst breakout. And here's the result. The price closes beautifully above our entry level, giving us a clean win. You can clearly see how a calm, compressed zone turned into a quick, upward explosion in just a few seconds. That's the power of spotting a real microburst. Small move, fast profit. Here you can see the candles moving inside a very narrow range for several seconds. The Bollinger Bands are tightening, which tells us that volatility is dropping. Then suddenly, a strong red candle breaks and closes fully below the lower band. That's our clear breakout confirmation, so right there I entered a sell trade with a 30-second expiry. The setup is clean, quick, and perfectly fits the compression burst logic. After entering the trade, the red candles keep extending lower, and the lower Bollinger Band widens, confirming fresh momentum. A tiny green candle appears but stays below the middle band, so sellers remain dominant. The price holds near the lower edge, showing a steady breakout continuation. Exactly what we want to see in this 30-second burst. And here's the final result. The candle closes nicely below our entry point, giving us a solid win. You can see here the candles tightening inside a small range, and the Bollinger Bands almost touching. That's our compression zone. Then a strong red candle breaks and closes below the lower band, confirming the breakout. Right there, I entered a sell trade 30-second expiry. Clean and precise setup. After entry, the red momentum continues, and the bands start expanding, showing fresh volatility. A tiny green candle appears, but stays weak under the mid-band, while sellers clearly keep control. Price holds near the lower edge, a sign the breakout is still active, and pressure remains downward. As the timer ends, the candle closes well below our entry level. A smooth win. That short compression turned into a sharp, fast drop. Exactly what the micro compression burst setup is designed to catch. And that's how the micro compression burst strategy works. Short, simple, and powerful. It's all about patience during the quiet phase and precision when the breakout happens. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to